we have a citation will be distributed, given to our headmaster by our honorable member of the MCs, Sri Oshit Balan Sen and Pedro Chaudhary. May I request Mr. Hiram to come forward with a citation, please? Yeah. Please come forward. MC member Balan Sen, Hiram Chaudhary, Science teacher, all of you will be used to mics. I shall go through the citation. The citation reads, the managing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff and students of Dr. Radhakrishnan Boys Secondary School, R&R Colony, Shillong 6, express their deep gratitude and heartiest thanks to Sri Shiv Kumar Chaudhary for his distinguished and sincere service towards the institution as a teacher as well as an able administrator during his tenure at headmaster. On this day of his superannuating, everyone wishes him a peaceful and healthy life ahead. Dated Shillong, the 20th September 2012, signed by the President. May I request Mithali Roy and Ruma, please come forward. Honorable, please come over here. Honorable R.R. Rajendra, come over here.
Yes, it is not recording now. It click color.
Now I request all the teachers to be there at a time, please. All of you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Please join. Rita, you can also come. Yes, all of you can come.
Rama, इसको क्लिक करना हो गया. इसको क्लिक कर देते.
Sing the song? Yes, please. Now we shall have a song from Sachit Roy.
ভরা থা স্মৃতি সুধার বিদায়ে পাত্রখানি ভরা থা মিলনের উৎসবে তাই ফিরায়ে দিও আনি ভরা থা বিষাদের অশ্রুজলে নীরবের মর্মতালে গোপনে উঠুক ফুলে হৃদয়ের নূতন বাণী গোপনে উঠুক ফুলে ভরা থা যে পথে যেতে হবে সে পথে তুমি একা নয়নে আধার রবে, ধ্যানে আলোক রেখা, সারাদিন সঙ্গোপনে সুধারস ঢালবে মনে, পরাণের পদ্মবনে বিরহের বিনা পানি, পরাণের পদ্মবনে ভরা থাক স্মৃতি সুধা বিদায়ে পাত্রখানি ভরা থাক।
May I now request our headmaster to say a few words in the speech.
Honorable President, Managing Committee, Honorable ex-President MC, Honorable members and ex-members MC, my teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Today is the last working day to this institution. This is indeed a memorable day of my life. I feel delighted at the presence of you all. On the other hand, I feel sad to think